Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So this will be a quick update as I got a new coupon for Envato Elements and it will be able to grant you guys a new discount. So if you want to get a discount for your first month of the Envato Elements subscription, you will be able to find the coupon in the video's description. So this is the link which automatically applies the coupon, and you will be able to get a huge discount for your first month subscription of Envato Elements. And be sure to subscribe with an account which did not have active subscription so far. So this can be a new account or an older account but which did not have any Envato Elements subscriptions so far. So if you have an account which you used already to subscribe to Elements, this will not work for you. So in this case, I recommend that you create a new account for Envato Elements. So go ahead guys, check the link from this video description, and it was a really quick video showing you this new coupon working for winter 2023. And yeah, let me know your ideas, comments in the comment section of this video. Like, share, subscribe if you appreciate this video, and until next time, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye bye.